everybody, welcome back to the channel. I was hoping the last video I put out on this axle was going to be the last one until it was installed and had the tires on it and all welded up on and everything, or at least show the process of putting the axle on it, everything, but it's not going to be. I messed up. I welded the brackets on backwards on the wrong sides. Can't flip the axle around. It would put the drag link out on the front, which I don't want. I want it back behind the axle. So today I'm back out in the shop and I'm going to cut it back apart again and fabricate some new pieces for it and get them welded on. We'll bring you along for it. Thanks for stopping back by it again for this build. See you in a few. Alright, this is what I was talking about. Here we got the axle coming down. This piece is one of the drag links, and this is the drag link. This is the other drag link on the other side. This is the front of the axle across here. This is the back side. These pieces need to be flipped around. And actually this one needs to be over here. I could take this spindle and put it on this side here, which would, make this side right, but on this side here I would still have to cut this piece. I still have to cut this piece off and re-weld it onto this spindle. Haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, whether I'm going to cut those pieces off and try to re-weld them back on, or if I'm just going to cut them off and make all new ones. That's to be determined here in a few minutes, but I'll bring you back when I make the decision. Alright everybody, after consulting with the owner, the driver, the engineer, and the fabricator, we all mutually agreed that it's probably best to just cut those old brackets off, make new ones, and try to do it a better way, for lack of terms. So we're gonna do. We're all gonna get our hands dirty, and get them done, and get everything welded up. Didn't really want to make that decision to do that. I was really hoping to be able to get this thing welded on there, but hey, like I say, S happens. So let's get to her. Alright guys, got the axle finally finished up. Got it sort of welded on there. Yeah, I got the tractor up in the air with the lift here for I can sit down and do the welding and stuff. Still gotta put the front weight boom on, finish the drag link, and the steering linkage from the steering box back out to that front axle. But all in all, it come out pretty good. You can probably hear Nate in the background from Go-Karts Going Fishing. If you haven't checked him out, check him out. He's on the water today, and I'm out here in my shop sweating to death. We'll bring you back after we get a little further along. Alright everybody, here's the finished product. It's back in, or not back in, but it's in, all welded up, weight booms on. Figured it up here after I got everything on. It's dropped 3.5 inches and moved forward 8. So hopefully that will do a lot to help with the balance of the tractor and maybe get me a couple extra feet. So thanks a lot for stopping by.